Since 1933, American-owned and operated Central Ink Corporation has been committed to excellence in providing quality ink solutions to each and every customer. Today, our annual capacity of 150 million pounds of ink rests on our historical commitment to vertical integration of both product and process. From the manufacture of our own raw ingredients to the delivery of the final product to the customer's door. Numbers don't lie. Statistics alone testify to not only the size and scope of our operations, but to our fiscal stability and our attention to detail at each and every step of the process. Four microns. That's how small we typically triple grind dry pigment for many inks, up to 5,000 gallons. That's how much each tanker load can deliver to major customers. Everywhere in between, CIC numbers are equally impressive. Quality control checks all incoming ingredients to the tightest specifications in the industry prior to manufacture, and up to 3 times for batch control during the production process to maintain the truest ink color at product outflow, including CIC's unique quality assurance testing 24 hours after manufacturing to ensure that the specified chemical reaction is achieved. We'll even customize our test procedures to meet specific customer requests. CIC manufactures over 90% of its own varnish, heating 25,000 pounds of resin in one of 2 3,000-gallon tanks to over 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then patiently allowing it to cool for 5 hours to reach proper consistency. We typically roller mill grind our UV and small batch dry pigments up to 3 times to pulverize it to 4 microns for improved performance, and then combine it with the varnish and solvent in one of 5 22,000-pound automated mixers. Our $1 million automated dispensing system measures the precise amount of material in each batch, using proprietary software and actuated valves to blend consistently smooth, custom-formulated inks to the tightest of tolerances. Smaller batches are custom blended with equal precision. No order is too big or too small. CIC can also custom engineer and manufacture specialty inks to meet unique and challenging customer specifications. CIC averages 55 batches per day, many days running up to 80. CIC produces more pounds of ink per employee than any other ink manufacturer. 375,000 pounds annually. Plus, CIC has a national distribution network to get that ink quickly to the customer. From a single 5-pound can, to our custom-engineered color trucks, to 3,000-pound totes, each marked and dedicated for use by a single customer, to our fleet of 8 temperature-controlled 5,000-gallon tankers, CIC has the flexibility and responsiveness to ensure quick, nimble delivery of any quantity needed. Be it steps down the street, or miles across the border from Canada to South America and beyond. CIC also delivers a full range of support services. CIC is a full-service blanket converter. We do all punching, cutting, and barring to provide you with a single-source print solution through strategic partnership agreements with leading blanket and chemical companies. Our mobile diagnostics program customizes ink optimization using proprietary software to adjust curves and color profiles to your specific production processes, while our international sales network is uniquely responsive to your global production needs. All this allows CIC, with sales in the millions, to compete in product and service against competitors with sales in the billions, while still maintaining the personal touch. So do the math. Add it all up, the bottom line is clear. The number that ultimately counts is 1. You, our unique individual customer. Your need for quality inks, on time, in whatever quantity needed, is what drives us. Always has, always will. CIC, Central Ink Corporation. Count on us. By the numbers, we're your ink solution.